Now I'm recording. Oh, yeah, there we go, people. Hey, people, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Go to get me a marshmallow. Peyton, hold the phone from my YouTube channel. Don't drop it in the fire.
What up, my YouTube? Hey, look, show it at me. Show it at me.
No.
Show it at me,
No.
bro. Show it at me.
No.
YouTube channel, I'm roasting my marshmallow. I'm about to burn it.
Hi, my peoples. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like this video if you want me to do more videos like this. We're roasting marshmallows. I just automatically put that one out.
Oh,
People,
yeah,
I'm sorry.
well,
This dang thing won't light.
probably because the
Hurry up. Crap. Well, Peyton, that's not helping at all.
I'm my marshmallow now, am I?
You're just doing two. You're doing two. Wow. Here, let's look the wind on this side.
I'm just gonna go get my phone.
We're lighting this with a lighter, my peoples.
Would you please stop saying people?
Peoples.
People, not
I'm not burned on. Holy shit. Hold on. Okay, put it down.
Holy.
That's smothering it every time we do that.
Why did you put it down anyways?
Hey, bro. Let's not put that down. Let's just take it off.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get burnt alive.
No. If it all.
I got it on fire, my people. So people, hey, Peyton,
It's
don't
up
go
against
away.
the wall. Oh!
You're just smothering it. You just said that.
Yeah, I know, but you guys are freaking out over that.
Freaking I almost burned that bar.
It's fine. That's the whole thing. When it gets close and it's cooking food, it's burning.
This is not burning.
Hey, you're taking all one.
This is cancer.
I wish
Don't come.
I'm not.
Page 44. There's a page 44.
Really?
You just burned page 44.
Really? I gotta burn this. I've completely got to burn this. Because I like mine burnt.
It's on fire. This is on fire.
Alright, mine's burnt.
Okay.
Well,
Well, what?
we're doing great. We need to move all this out. Can we move every single thing out? It's gonna be all over the yard, though.
Who wants my marshmallows?
Break it, come on. You don't want this?
No.
Watch this.
Watch that.
What?
I said watch that. Wait. Hey. Wait.
What if that burns Payne's hands?
People,
Good.
You know that one?
we are done here.
Whoa!
Subscribe to this channel if you want me to do more of these more
Okay,
of
said that.
these videos.
Thank you.
And if you want me to do more YouTube channels. Oh wait, we got it. Look, we got it again. I think. Yeah, we.
So it's not over. Woo, woo, woo.
I think we got it again. It's doing good this time.
I need to get it like really good.
Bro, that's just a line of fire right there. Just a line. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. No. No. It's going towards Caden now.
Woohoo! I'm playing in the fire.
Okay, people, that's all the time we have.
Bye.
So, if you like this video,
Bye.
give it a big thumbs up. If you want me to do more videos like this, give it
It's
a
the
big
devil.
thumbs up. I might be giving a giveaway today or this weekend or next weekend, either weekend. Shit. Get that off of me.
Sorry, I just closed that up.
And oh wait, I forgot to tell y'all something. I don't trust either one of y'all now. We seen a big rat at our house. It might be a gopher, might be a rat. And Peyton over here says he's seen it again, but I didn't, and it's freaking scary as crap. So if y'all want me to do more videos like this, just give this a big thumbs up. If you like this video, yeah, and slime videos,
And squishy videos.
maybe squishy videos.
And maybe a giveaway.
I'm doing a giveaway. So like, if you want to do if you want me to do the giveaway,
Subscribe our channel.
the name that you need to put down is firework lover.
Firework.
And so if you haven't already subscribed to this video,
Give
subscribe,
it a thumbs up.
give it a thumbs up.
Squishy.
Give it a thumbs up if you want a squishy. I'm crazy. Yeah, that's my little brother. He actually is crazy.
I like to play with fire.
He actually does like to play with fire.
Look.
Fire.
I'm playing with fire.
And so if you like more videos, if you want more videos of this, give us a big thumbs up. And maybe if we hit, how many likes do you want to get?
Your channel.
Well, just give me a number.
5
5 what?
likes.
No.
What? What are you talking about?
How many likes do you want this video
I said
to get?
5
10.
likes.
10.
10. I
No.
guess. 10 likes.
If I get this video up to 100 likes, or at least 50 likes, I will do another video like this.
Bye,
So,
guys.
This is all the time I have right now.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See y'all tomorrow, because I vlog every day. And so subscribe to this channel, boy. And
we are lighting fire.
we are savage.
Savage.
And
Savage.
today I look kind of different. I decided to dress all different today and comfortable. We're just sitting here burning magazines and roasting marshmallows. If you want more videos like this, subscribe, turn the notifications on.
That's like
And,
3 times
well,
you
yeah.
already said. Like,
I gotta go because the smoke is in my eyes and it burns my eyes. So bye, people.
Bye, suckers.
We love you. We hope you subscribe and turn on notifications and all that crap. Yeah.
And bye, suckers.
They're not suckers, you butthole.
They're buckers?
No.
Are they turkers?
No.
Are
They're
they F-words?
family. No. So, well, yeah.
Are they
All right.
tuckers?
Bye, people.